And I want you to take a moment to look around and notice that in this room are all of the parts that we spoke about, just the positive parts, the good things you have in your life. They're all with you in this room.
First street, left turn.
Now you may choose to see these parts in any way that's appropriate to you.
Okay, and we're going to pull it over to the side of the road and stop. A 3-point turn using the roadway only from here.
Some people choose to see them as small versions of themselves, little people that look just like you. Other people see them as colours, or objects, or shapes. There's no right and no wrong. It's up to you how you see these parts.
Right turn at the traffic sign.
And I want you to notice how happy these parts are, and how positive and how fun these parts are.
Right turn at the traffic lights.
And you see them dancing around, playing around in the room. And you may choose to imagine them doing whatever is in your mind. And as you look around this room, you may notice furniture or any kind of objects of your choosing.
Lane change to the left. Traffic lights, left turn, traffic lights.
But as you look towards the back wall of this room, you notice something. You notice another door. But this door is of a colour that you associate with fear and nerves. What colour would that be?